Hey folks, so I have a new knife for you. So this is from Kubi. Kubi, it's a Chinese company. They sent this to me to check out for free. And yeah, they want me to give it an honest review. And I've never had a Kubi knife. I've never had any dealings with them. They do have a pretty robust website and apparently a few offerings of different knives. So this one is all steel, right? Steel frame, liner lock. They do offer frame locks with titanium. This one is a liner lock with steel. It's affordable. I think it's about 69 bucks, maybe 59 bucks. It's 69 bucks, I think. But they have so many different models. It's crazy. So I liken this to something like my Kershaw Skyline. So this is a knife that's going to be a beater. It's going to be an everyday carry to have to worry about because it's affordable and it's not crazy expensive. It does have some cool designs on it. This one's like a sheep's foot style, and they offer it in G10, different colors. So they sent me this orange one because you know I'm crazy about orange, and the design itself is, I think it's pretty cool. I mean, I've never heard of them. The steel is OS 10. OS 10 is something, it's from Japan, and apparently it's the equivalent to like 440C. So yeah, it's a budget-friendly knife. But it was interesting that they sent this to me because it must be on bearings. I didn't take it down, but it's very smooth. It's middle flickable. You can do it with your thumb. They do have a couple of models that are like front flipper. I am so over front flipper, guys. I don't know if you guys are into front flippers, but I am so over it. I have no interest in front flippers. Flippers, yeah, I'll do the flipper, but I think for me, thumb studs and blade windows like this, I can middle flick is just the way. It's just so much fun. For me, that's just my personal taste. Pretty clean design. So you got the 2 screws there. Pretty neat pocket clip. This is steel, so it's not titanium. But I like the deep carry on it. It's not too crazy, the retention, so it should be pretty good. And they have a kind of like a custom, I guess that's KB, right? Kubi. So it's kind of like a custom pivot. So I'm gonna assume this is like D shape, so you can only tighten it on one side. You can see, I love orange G10, but you can see it's already getting dirty from me handling it. But yeah, this one's I think the model is called the Vagrant, New Vagrant. Again, it's a liner lock. Overall length, if you can't tell, is about 7.28 inches, so a little bit under 7.5. Again, the steel is OS 10. It's got a like a sandblast on the blade. There you go. I have no idea who Max is. I don't know if he's the designer. It's a flat grind with a swedge. Nice jimping up top. And it weighs in at 3.3 ounces or I think 96 grams, because they do lighten up the steel. You see that? So it doesn't feel so heavy. It's got these, again, I think it's steel standoff, so it's got a nice flow through design. Here's the lockup. I think it's a decent knife, you know, for what I've experienced so far. It's definitely flickable. It's a decent steel from what I've read. It's not too heavy. It's pretty lightweight at 3.3 ounces. It's a good EDC size. I don't know who these people are, but they're aspiring. Maybe they're going to be like the next Riata or something, or Wii knives. But I mean, if you want affordable knives, check them out. All right, guys. Peace.